what inspired Amara Shia Jewelry to acquire Safira, and how does this move align with your brand's long-term vision for growth and innovation?
Okay. So, tulad nga na sabi ko po kanina, the personality ni Rona is sobrang same talaga kami with like, andun yung pagka-jolly, mas social lang talaga siya. Pero, yung love niya talaga sa mga audience, sa mga clients niya, is nakikita ko talaga na yun talaga ako. Kaya sobrang, yun. Sobrang yun. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now for our last media friend to ask, we have Albert Abelido of the Chicanes.
Hey, mabuhay! Congratulations! So, yung question ko is, mayroon ba kayong specific target market na gustong i-penetrate? Why you wanted to have this partnership to happen?
Sabi ni Daddy, siya na lang sasagot.
Yeah, actually, as you can see, meron na kaming different brands like Amari, yung pagka-comeback ni Janela. Sa kanya kasi may kanya-kanya talaga silang specific target na binigay ko sa kanila. Like for example, kay Sheena, mid and high. And then nakita ko may kulang din kami sa high-end. Which is doon ko naman nakitaan si Rona kasi perfect yung character niya and then even the age actually. So yun yung isang nagiging problem din namin sa ibang sellers ko like Janela and Sheena. Kasi once you saw them doing a live, masyado pa silang bata. So madalas kasi sa mga old money, which is yun yung may mga pera talaga, no? Yung mga madam natin, nagtitiwala din sila sa mga madam din. Si Rona, once you see her, it's like, yun na, madam talaga. So isa yun na nagustuhan ko sa kanya and then the personality and yun nga, yung character niya, para silang same ni Sheena. Andun yung passion, yung heart. And then that's why yung pag-acquire namin sa Safira, the perfect brand as well. Ang ganda ng branding nila, which is perfect for the high-end jewelry, which is untouched pa namin yung market na yun. Only few. So just imagine, Amara, one of the leading brand company sa jewelry industry, pero untouched pa namin yung high-end market, which is yun yung ipe-penetrate ngayon na Safira. Thank you.
And gaano katagal bago na proseso lahat to? May mga parang push and pull bang nangyari? How was the negotiation like?
Hindi naman ganun kahirap. Yes, there's a negotiation because, you know, in-acquire ng another's, actually, considers competitor. Pero since isa lang sila ng vision, parang nag-combine na lang yung collaboration nila na, okay, gawin natin to at kasi mas makakabuti to sa industry. And for us, kasi parang yun yung gusto namin din na maging standard siya doon sa, especially sa live selling industry. And then, so hindi naman siya naging mahirap. Since ang pinaka-goal naman dito, parang standardize yung live selling. So, yun, parang secondary na lang talaga yung kita pag nandun yung passion. Yun yung una talaga. And both of them, meron talaga dun. So, yun, thank you.
Okay. And thank you, Sir Christopher. Ayan.
No? Wag ganyan naman, sis.
Yung walang landiyo. Oh, ma. Walang ano daw.
Ngayon lang kasi siya nagsalita.
Anong tawag dito? To Miss Sheena and to Miss Rona. Anong tawag dito? So far, anong nagugustuhan ninyo sa isa't isa in terms of this partnership? Saan kayo nagja-jive? Meron bang mga outside work na nagja-jive din kayo? And
Ako, to be honest ha, walang ano to sis ha, it's no filter. Sa personality kasi ni Rona, when talagang makasama mo siya, hindi mo expect that she's a Christian. Opo. So, doon pa lang, sabi ko, talaga. So, syempre ikaw kasi as a Christian din. So, parang andun ka agad yung loob mo. But of course, one of the reason also is yung kanyang English. Napapalaban din ako. So, parang sabi niya, itatrain ko daw siya as a life seller, gano'n. Siya naman, as a person, as a Rona, hindi niya alam na natatrain niya din ako the way she talk, the way she handle everything. So, it's a win-win. Parang nakasagot ako ng tama. And then, yun nga, talagang one of the reason also is yung pagka-genuine niya sa mga tao na nakapaligid. Kasi, especially to my staff, kasi ako naman talaga, sa mga nakakaalam talaga, for me, makikita mo yung ugali ng tao, hindi kapag kaharap mo siya. It's how you treat people. So, when I see her in our office talaga, nung nakakahalubilo niya yung mga staff ko, nakikita ko talaga yung sarili ko din sa kanya. And sobrang thank you, Queen.
Miss Rona.
For those of you who don't know, actually pareho kami ng one day apart lang ang birthday namin ni Sheena. She's November 1, I'm November 2. All Saints, All Souls. Kaya nakatakot kami, di ba? Yes. So, yun, yung sa ugali, parang ang dali naming mag-jive talaga. Like when we were talking, bilang, nga, it's easy to agree talaga. And so, yun din, like tulad yung nakita ko rin yung passion talaga. And when she shared kung ano yung pinagdaanan nila as, when they were starting to grow Amara Shia. Grabe, talagang napabilib ako doon. And she's really easy to get along with. Yun yung nakakatuwa doon. And, ano ba? Mukbang. Yun. Pitit lang yan, pero guys, grabe yan umorder. Grabe. Diba? No filter sabi mo, diba? Ayun. Thank you.
Thank you. And last na lang, magkakaroon ba kayo ng parang signature jewelry na will say na ito yung mark as Amira Shia, Safira product or collaboration? May ganun ba?
Yeah, soon po, magkakaroon po ng ganun. When you say like, ito yung design, it's Safira by Amara. Yun na yun. Yeah, soon po. Opo.
Ay, wow. Congrats!
Thank you so much!
Thank you so much. Definitely a match made in heaven. Safira by Amara. Let's give a round of applause to our media friends for asking those beautiful questions